What's up, guys? This is Zach DiFilippo with the Newcomer Group here at our newest listing at 2410 Vista Cove Road here in St. Augustine. About 5 minutes away from downtown St. Augustine, 10 minutes away from the beach. Can't wait for you guys to check this one out. Thanks. What's up, guys? We're inside our newest listing at 2410 Vista Cove. This is a 2-bedroom unit, but it's a master bedroom and a guest suite. So it's perfectly laid out so that you can have some space if you have guests over. Fully renovated, got new AC. It's one of the best views I've seen in this neighborhood. So can't wait for you to check it out. Thanks.